Hi there, my name's Andy Young and I'm one of the automotive lecturers down at Unitec in Auckland, New Zealand. And just behind me on the hoist is that infamous little Suzuki Alto, the 600cc triple cylinder, little tiny bug we call it. And yesterday it started to smelling pretty badly of petrol. It turns out there's a pretty hefty fuel leak somewhere around about the fuel tank area, and I have a sneaky suspicion it's the filter. So I've gone out and bought not exactly the right filter because they didn't have one of those, but I've bought pretty much the same kind of filter, the vertical mounted fuel filter. So we've got one of those in case we need it, and a brand new box with clips. So let's head over to the vehicle, and I think we're going to fit the new filter regardless, but hopefully the leak is the filter or one of the connections going onto it. We'll take a look, see what we find, and hopefully we can make a good fix. Here we go. Okay, so on these little Suzuki Altos you've got the fuel tank, passenger side left, and up here you can see all the fuel. We've got the fuel filter now, just held in place with a little clip, pretty easy to move, and you can see all the dampness around that area. And I think, oh there you go, look, it's a split hose. Man, this is going to be an easy fix. Okay, well we'll get it pulled off, get that hose replaced. Just a perished hose, a couple of new clips, and if we can fit the new filter we will. Hopefully the pipe diameter for those two, for the input and the output, are going to be compatible, and if we can then we'll replace the filter. If not, we'll just replace that bit of pipe. Right, here we go. Now fingers crossed we're not going to have too much of a fuel leak. I've got the oil catch pan just below, but I think we'll need to crimp off the input at least. So I'll get some mole grips and a couple of special sockets, and we'll just crimp that off. Let's try and get up there, look. Get up out of the way. There we go. Right. Mr. Pliers. Now we're going to get a little bit of fuel leakage to start off with. Let me take that one off first. Oh, look at that pouring out. Oh yeah, pretty split. There we go. And then just got to lever that off out of the way. Okay. Number 2 fuel clip. It's always a lot harder with the camera in the way. There we go. Okay. Get rid of that for now. Okay. Get off my glove. Now this is the suspected hose. So I'm just going to unclip it at the other end where it goes onto the steel, and then we're going to have a wander and see if we can find a replacement piece. There we go. Super. Okay, let's go and take a look. Okay, it's a bit hard at work because we haven't really got the kind of benches and stuff, and I haven't got my big tripod with me. But just inspecting that hose, oh there you go, look, one hole. God knows how that's just happened, but anyway, it must have got damaged on the last installation because that's more of a rip than anything else. But yeah, okay, we'll go and find a new bit of hose and get it all put back together again. Easy fix. Okay, well we've found some fuel hose lying around, which is this stuff here, look. And it really is fuel hose, which is good. It came off an old motorcycle we have kicking around that I was given at Unitec. So let's make a start by installing the new filter. Now we've got to leave that clamp on until we've finished. If you look on the filter, you'll see an arrow. I'm not too sure if you can see this on the camera or not, but there's an arrow there, look. So that's the output, and this is the input. So we're just going to slide that, if we can, onto there. Along those pliers. There we go. Just work that down there. That's right, that's just under seal. That's all good. There we go. Stick that around there. There we go. Oh, first time. How good is that? Now, I just want to make sure that that's not going to twist when I install it. No, looks pretty good. And we'll cut that old clip off. Let's get rid of that. If we can. Yeah, should have taken it off first, I know. Pretty strong little bugger, actually. Almost. There we go. Okay, one old clip gone. Now for the new fuel line. Let's put it on this end first if it will fit. It's a pretty big union actually, isn't it? But this stuff's pretty flexible, so give it a bit of liquid. There we go, look. Yeah, Nick. Oh, look at that. Perfect. This is very, very good old Suzuki. They always put me in really easy places.
I was when it stuck on, the hose was stuck. You know what I mean? On the metal fuel filter.
Oh shit, yeah. Well, when they're fuel injection, they have a high pressure filter and they have really tight clips and stuff on them, don't they?
And most of the KO I work for is a good year, so
yeah.
First service. Even this one.
Yeah. There we go. Let's remove the glove. There we go. Right. Now we'll pop that up into place. I think we'll find a cable type for that as well. Yeah, that's pretty good actually. Yeah. And we're just going to snip that to length. So about there. One more hose clip. There we go. I'll work around the camera now. Jeez. Okay. Right. New hose with a clip going on to the steel pipe. And this is the feed up to the carb. Yes, this is still a carburetted vehicle. Long nose pliers, long nose pliers. Can't get in with the fingers, so. which is a bit long. Let's just cut a piece out of that. Bit too long. So, okay, second time round. That's the clip going on. Stay up there, clip. Okay, we've lost the camera flash, unfortunately, but I think we can probably make do with this just for short term. All I've got to do is get that pipe back on. A bit further down on that steel pipe. Nursing it on. There we go. Excellent. And no kinks. Perfect. Okay, now our little clip just fell down there, didn't it? So we'll pull that up, twizzle it around a bit. Get it in position and give it a little tweak. Come on, little clip, work with me on this. Sorry, camera. Almost there. One last tweak. There we go. Perfect. Whew. Easy job. Okay. Just going to get a cable tie to go around that clip to hold the filter in place. We can take the clamp off now and we can check for any leaks. Now remember, it was leaking up here previously on that pipe. That filter we're busy filling up now with fuel. So it all looks pretty good. Successful repair. So I'll just pull you back a bit. There you go. And I'm just going to put a cable tie across there and we'll be all finished. You don't need to see that. Right, let's do a piece to camera. Well, that wasn't too bad a job. It would have been a lot easier if we hadn't had the camera and stuff in the way, and if the camera hadn't or the phone hadn't run out of battery for the flash. But hey, these things happen. You've got to work around it. So it turned out just to be a ruptured fuel line. The rubber hose had perished, or maybe been damaged in the past, and finally just broken through. But a real simple repair, and of course we swapped out the fuel filter at the same time. One less thing to do in the future. Okay, pretty simple job there. If you've got any questions or comments, then please do add them below, and I'll do my very best to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Google Plus as well. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, why not? Click on subscribe. I think it's over this side. I don't know, one of the sides. Click on subscribe, and then you'll see a little gear icon. If you want to turn on notifications, click the gear icon and then tick the box for turning on notifications, and that way you'll receive an email as and when I upload any new videos. Basically, that's about it. Hope you found it helpful, crew. Nice short and sweet video for you. Cheers for now. Over and out.